Now we're gonna start putting pots in and stuff. That guy goes up there. Sweet. Next guy's to go in. Alrighty. So I think we want to do these bad boys. And these are the Bourne's pots. 33860. Horizontal 100K. So 100K for 3637. Fire this baby up again. Okay. Here, I've got this really close. Okay. So we gotta check our Bourne's pots right now. Okay. This is a Bourne's pot. We got. I'm just gonna leave them down here. All right. $100 ohms. Ohm, and this guy has 100K. Okay. This guy should be 100K. Yeah. Okay. And so I got 3 Bourne's pots. One. Okay. One is 100. That's this guy. Boom. And so I'm gonna do this. This guy is R1. And then these two guys, yep, makes sense, are R36 and R37. Okay. Right, and these are the next guys to go in. And also make sure that the number at the top is the same for 36, 37, and that those are different from 1, but you need to measure them to make sure that they're right. Okay, so let's do this. Once again, I'm going to use electrical tape to keep from going crazy while I put this crap on the board. Let's do 36 and 37 first. So these have a very specific orientation. If you don't do them right, they're not going to fit the holes in the cover. This guy's here, like this. I'm going to tape them down hard. And you know what? I might just solder him before I bother with anybody else. Good. Okay. awesome sauce. Oh man, that's so crooked. I don't like it. Here, let's see if we can straighten it up just a hair. I totally did not do that on camera. It's a dirtbag move, but you know what? It worked. Okay. Yeah, that's fine. All right. Let's find 36. It's there. 36, it goes like this. Boom. Yeah. Let's see if we can't get that guy in there a little better than we did the first one. Yeah, it's better. 37, 36, and number 1. And number 1 goes this way. Boom. I'm just gonna tape over the top of it like that. Tape it down good, nice and flush. And come over here. Like a bunch of yuck. 1, 2, 3. I got no sympathy for you guys having a side of this crap because I've done 3 of them now. That's good. Okay, better. All right. And just to make sure, 104, 104, 101. We're good. Now, we're going to do the other pots. These guys. And for now, I'm just going to take the little washers and stick them on there so that they don't get lost. You don't really use those until you bolt this thing into the cover. Big deal. Alrighty. Okay. All right. So these guys fit in here like so. And once again, I'm going to use the tape just to make sure I get them on there real nice. And these are tougher. Got to get all those leads in so that it's nice. And then come around. Yeah, maybe we should go like this. Stick them down. And make sure he stays down nice and straight while we solder. Whoop. Whoop. And burp. Let's see how we did. I don't want these to be crooked. Yeah, that's pretty good. You basically want it to be flush with the surface as much as possible. Okay, rock and roll. I'm gonna put the second one in. Like, there's no overdoing it with the tape. You basically want to tape it down hard enough to make sure that it's not gonna come off and be crooked after you get it soldered. And so if you have to, you know, double up or use duct tape or whatever you got to do to get it to do that is legit. Okay. I'm gonna do that. Okay, see how we did. Nice and flush, decent. Yeah. Okay. 2 more of these guys. The opposite side. That's how you know that's not good. Here, let's tape them down this way. Because, dude, you are gonna be beautiful and nice and flush and good. Because I said so. Make it so. Sweet. Boom. That's better. Okay. Good. Got that one in. Nice contact. Everything's good. And now the last one. Once again, I'm going to tape the crap out of it because I do not want this thing to be crooked at the end. Via professional skill. And our stuff has to be straight. Wow. Wow. Okay. That's what we need. Boom. Okay. So, now I got all those guys in. And now we're going to do the 3 ginormous pots. These guys. See if you can see what I'm doing. Yeah, you can. Good. So these guys have, like, this. And they don't quite fit in exactly perfect. So you kind of have to jimmy them a little bit. When I said that, Eric came over. Like, what are you jimmying? You don't have... What? Sarah, are you messing up my board? Yo. Sarcastic. Alright. Yeah. About to give this little lead some love. These guys suck. Alright. Come on. Come on. Trying to remember how I did this before. You know what I'm gonna do? Cheat to win, baby. Cheat to win. I know you guys have these too, so it's not really cheating. Let's try and figure out what was rattling on the board. And it was okay. So, the key thing about cheating to win is you gotta win. So let's get this sucker in here. Got him. Raw. Sweet. So now, same drill. I'm gonna want to make it a little higher so that he can rest on the ground while I'm putting him on there. And again, you want this guy to be totally flush. Not crooked. Right now I'm kind of hoping for the best. Come on. Blah. See how we did. Not too bad. Not too bad. That's exactly what we want. And this like little metal edge is gonna rest on the surface. Okay, so I've got to be happy with that. It's good. Let's take the next one. Yay! Alright, so once again I'm going to do my cheat to win trick. Bend these suckers out straight so that they'll actually go in the doggone hole. Boom. You guys think you got it rough. You should try to solder this on camera with Dr. Landau standing over you. It's fun. Okay, so that guy's ready to go. Alright, post-it notes. What was that beep? Oh, that was the multimeter that I left on. Come on. Come on. Yeah, man. Got it. And one more. Perfect. Maybe. Yeah. Perfect enough. Faux show. All right. Yeah, we got one more. So, make sure that you can see. And I'm taking these shitty bent things and I'm straightening them up a bit so that they'll actually go in the damn hole. Whoop. Good. And these are shitty and bent as well. So we'll straighten them up so they'll go in the damn hole. Alrighty. Pats. Okay. Awesome post-it notes. Trying to duplicate what is a probable student setup. Except you guys don't use paper ever. One thing you can do if your like setup is janky enough that you're unconfident about your ability to get your pots straight is get a couple of them tacked down like that and then have a look and see if it's straight. And then if it's straight, then you do all the rest. I would have been really bumming if my previous ones weren't straight. Yeah. Sweet. Okay. All good. All straight. All fine. Yeah. So now